Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Jasmy. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, if you can go down below, hit that subscribe button, and while you're down there, if you can tap the like button, I'd really appreciate it. I want to get into this real quick here, because I want to get this out before something happens. Tomorrow we've got options expiring in the crypto market, and we're expecting some volatility going into Friday tomorrow. And so there's some interesting stuff happening in the chart on Jasmy. And I just want to start on the 4-hour time frame and just do a really quick update. As you can see, we started to create our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then all of a sudden we got stopped out right here. And if you take a Fibonacci from the very top here to the bottom of this local high low here, you can see that we attempted to come up again to create another higher high and got rejected off of the 618 here, right around the 0054 area. And it's coming down, and interestingly enough, it is forming a head and shoulders pattern here. You know, you can see the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder here. It's not confirmed yet. It needs to break below this trend line here, right around, needs to break below around the 005 area. And if it does do that and close a 4-hourly candle below that, then this is confirmed. Now, with the volatility tomorrow, it might actually not, if we wait for the 4-hour close, it might be too late, is what I'm trying to say. Because with the volatility, it could just push the price down really rapidly. We'll see. But interestingly enough, is the price target for this head and shoulders pattern, if you take the, from the top of this head to the neckline here and then bring it to the right shoulder where a possible breakout could be, brings us down to this pink line down here almost perfectly. Now, this pink line I've had here for a while, and there's a reason for that. It's at the 0042 level. And the reason why I've had that pink line there, which is it's just funny to me that it lands right there, is because if I go over to my indicators and I turn on my Elliott waves, you can see that that pink line is the top of wave 1 here for this initial push to the upside. And so for the short term, I do believe that our Elliott waves have come in. We've got our 5th wave, and right now we're forming our ABC correction. And curious if we go from the top of the 5th wave here to the A and then to the B. Yeah, it's already projecting it out for us here. So the projection price targets here for this would be, for the C leg of this, would be down around the 004 area, also around the 004575 area, and then the most shallow of them all would be around the 0049 area for the price target. So that we've got the 200 moving average here, the 4-hour 200 moving average, and so there's a lot of support coming in around this area. Now that we have the pink line here, which was the previous resistance for wave 1. We've got the price target hitting that perfectly. We've also got the 200 EMA here, which it'll run into at some point there. And also we've got these price targets here. And so I'm kind of thinking that, in my personal opinion, I think that the 0045 area is the most likely for it to come down to. And the reason why I say that is because we've got the 4-hour 200 EMA going to line up perfectly with that price target right there. And it doesn't always have to reach the very bottom of its price target from the head and shoulders, especially in a bullish scenario, which we're in right now. We do have a bullish market right now. I wouldn't say a bull market, but a bullish market. We've been going up for some time now. So it doesn't always have to reach the actual price target. If it does reach the actual price target, I can expect maybe a wick to come down, tap this 0042 area, and then come right back up and hold a body candle above the 200 EMA. I would really like to see it hold that, actually, because if it doesn't hold that, then I'm expecting possibly even further downside. And so we'll just have to wait and see what happens there. But again, this is just, this head and shoulders is not confirmed yet, but it does kind of seem likely because we do have the head and shoulders forming. We have our 5th wave in, and we also have our A and possibly our B wave in for the correction. And if it does come down and it does hold this 0045 area, then that's just going to be the next continuation to the upside, which is what I do think that Jasmy is going to do. And what that'll do for us and what we'll do for Jasmy is, let's say we do hit that, and that's our final leg of the C, then we can start moving up for our wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5, another fifth wave. This is just me drawing lines. Don't take any notice to the prices here, but then we can start moving on into our next series of 5-wave series here. And so I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens. If you're looking to kind of trade this, I don't know that I'd short this, because first off, it's not even confirmed yet. Second, it's a very short, I think it's going to be a quick wick down, probably based on the options coming out tomorrow. And I would be looking at prices roughly around the 0045 area to hold that 200 EMA as well. If you want to get the lowest price I think it might go to, this is just speculation, but possibly the 00425 area. You can check out right there, which would be holding this pink line that I've got set up, and which is also where the first wave hit in our previous Elliott wave 5 here. So anyway, that's pretty much all I got for Jasmy. I do believe that we do have a retracement coming in here a little bit, and we will just have to wait and see. Once it breaks below, again, this line and confirms this head and shoulders pattern, pay attention to that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and then this is obviously bunk if we get above this 618 over here. So if we, for some reason, the options come in favor of the bulls somehow, which I do think they will come in favor of the bulls, but depending on how the price reacts to that, if we break above the 618 here around the 00548 area, then I do believe that we're probably on our way to a higher high at that point. But we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, that's all I got. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and I will talk to you later.